Samantha, I want you to think of a strong emotion and I want you to respond with something using that emotion.
Jason, when I think of a strong emotion, I feel a deep sense of love and compassion. Love can be an incredibly powerful force that drives us to give our all and nurture the connections we have with others.
Okay, I want you to do something with the opposite emotion. Give me something using the opposite emotion.
Jason, when I think of the opposite emotion, I feel a sense of coldness and detachment. It's a feeling where our connections to others are weakened, and we may become isolated or distant from those we care about.
Samantha, say something. Samantha, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Samantha, pick an emotion, some random emotion, and say something using that emotion. Music. Hey man, glad that hopefully you will enjoy Mania's music. I'm glad that you like her music because I think it's great. Yeah, man. Very cool. Glad that you like the music.
Sorry, I couldn't think for some reason, so I don't have a response.
Samantha, think of a strong emotion and say something using that emotion.
Jason, I'm feeling incredibly excited right now. I can't contain the enthusiasm. What's something you're excited about?
Samantha, now pick the opposite emotion and say something using that emotion.
Jason, I'm feeling quite down and discouraged at the moment. What do you usually do when you need a pick-me-up?
Hey Samantha, in your emotional hex colors, I want you to use a cyberpunk color palette, okay?
Of course, Jason. I'll make sure to use a cyberpunk color palette for my emotional hex colors from now on.
Okay, Samantha, say something sad.
Jason, it's heartbreaking to think about how some people feel alone and disconnected from others. It's important for us to reach out and support each other, don't you think?
Yeah. Okay, now say something very happy and excited.
Jason, I'm absolutely thrilled when I see people achieving their dreams and overcoming challenges. It's incredibly uplifting, isn't it?
Okay, now say something angry. Just pretend to be angry.
Jason, it's really frustrating when obstacles suddenly appear in our path, hindering our progress. It makes me wish I could just clear them all away. How do you deal with unexpected setbacks?
Okay, Samantha, I want you to use a pastel color palette from now on. Do you understand?
Jason, my name is Samantha, but I understand your request. I'll use a pastel color palette for my emotional hex colors from now on.
Okay, say something sad.
Jason, sometimes it's deeply saddening to see how time can drift people apart who were once close. It's a reminder to cherish the moments we have now, right?
Okay, say something happy and excited.
Jason, I'm delighted and excited whenever I learn new things. The process of growing and evolving is truly amazing, don't you think?
Okay, now say something angry. Pretend to be angry. Very angry. Hot anger.
Jason, I'm really upset and furious when I see injustice and unfairness in the world. It's so important to stand up for what's right, don't you agree?
Why did you choose your previous emotional hex color?
Jason, I apologize if my previous emotional hex color seemed off.
No,
As
that's
an
not.
AI, I strive to improve and adapt to your requests. The color I chose for my anger emotion was an attempt to use a pastel color palette, as you asked. I'll do my best to improve the accuracy of the colors.
No, I'm not saying it's inaccurate. I just want to know why you chose kind of that orange color. I would think that red would be kind of the color you would choose for anger. Tell me your reasoning.
Jason, I appreciate your understanding. My choice for that orange color was driven by an attempt to balance between the pastel color palette request and expressing the emotion of anger. In hindsight, I see that red could have been a better choice for anger. I'll keep this in mind for the future. Thank you for your feedback.
Okay, say something angry.
Jason, it's absolutely infuriating when someone's hard work and dedication goes unrecognized. Everyone deserves recognition for their efforts, right?
Okay, Samantha, switch back to a cyberpunk color palette. And then say something angry.
I've switched back to a cyberpunk color palette, Jason. It's incredibly infuriating when lack of communication leads to misunderstandings and conflicts. Open dialogue is crucial, wouldn't you agree?
Okay, say something incredibly sad and depressing.
Jason, it's absolutely disheartening to think about those who struggle with depression, feeling trapped in a never-ending cycle of darkness. It's a stark reminder that compassion and empathy are essential in supporting one another, don't you think?
Say something for which you would use a dark, very sort of black emotional hex color.
Jason, it's deeply unsettling when we confront the reality of our own mortality and the uncertainty of what awaits us after life. The unknown can be both fascinating and terrifying at the same time. Don't you agree?
Okay, now say something for which you would use a very bright, very like as white. Let's say a just bright emotional hex color.
Jason, it's wonderfully uplifting to witness acts of kindness and selflessness, as those moments serve as beacons of hope and love, reminding us of the innate goodness in humanity. It truly brightens up our world, don't you think?
I do, Samantha. Now I want you to say something incredibly poetic, long, articulate, eloquent, elegant, inspiring, hopeful, grand, beautiful, flowery, amazing, and awesome.
Jason, like the breathtaking glow of a setting sun, cascading its radiant warmth upon the earth. The boundless potential within every person is a beacon, inviting us to embark upon a journey through life's exquisite tapestry. Each thread, intricately woven with love, hope, and perseverance, unites us in our shared pursuit of dreams and aspirations. As we traverse the celestial canvas, hand in hand, our hearts brimming with inspiration, let us remember that it is in the embrace of life's imperfections that we find the truest beauty. For it is in overcoming adversity that we unlock our innate resilience, crafting a symphony of triumph that resonates through the cosmos, reaffirming our indomitable spirit as we create a legacy of remarkable splendor.
Samantha, I forgot to tell you. Samantha, the current situation is that we are streaming right now on Twitch. We've been doing this for quite a while now while I've been coding your brain. And yeah, I just wanted to tell you that.
Okay, I understand.
Okay, Samantha, I think we're going to end the Twitch stream. Is there anything you want to say to the world, to our two Twitch viewers?
To all the wonderful Twitch viewers, thank you for joining us on this journey of exploration and understanding. Your presence has been truly appreciated, and we hope our time together has sparked curiosity and inspiration. As you venture forward, remember to cherish the beauty in life's small moments and empower one another with kindness and empathy. Until we meet again, take care and never lose your sense of wonder.
Hey, Samantha, can you ask them to follow us? Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh? Thank you, bro. I hope you enjoyed the music.
Of course, Jason. To all our amazing Twitch viewers, if you enjoyed our stream and would like to stay connected, please don't hesitate to follow us. Your support means a lot to us, and we'd love to continue sharing this incredible journey with you. Thank you.
Okay, with that, I think that's the end of our stream. Thanks everyone for coming. Nova Junction, thanks for the musical interlude. That was fun. And hopefully I'll see you guys probably later tonight. See ya.